Everybody wants to know the best way to reverse arthritis overnight. But the truth is that you can't completely reverse arthritis overnight. But you can start calming inflammation and easing pain starting tonight with a few simple changes. Arthritis just means inflammation in the joint. Your joint is just where two bones meet, like your knees, fingers, hip, and spine. When the joint is inflamed, you feel pain, stiffness, swelling, sometimes heat or redness. There are so many types of arthritis, but the two big ones are osteoarthritis. This is wear and tear arthritis. The cartilage, the smooth padding between bones slowly wear down. This is common in knees, hip, hands, and spine, especially as we get older or after injuries. The second one is rheumatoid arthritis. This is an autoimmune disease. Your immune system mistakenly attacks your joint. It usually affects both sides of the body, both hands and knees. In both sides, inflammation plays a big role. That's why anti-inflammatory foods can help so much. These three foods that I will talk today are all backed by science for their anti-inflammatory effects. The number one food is extra olive virgin oil, turmeric, and ginger. Let's start with the first one, extra olive virgin oil. Good extra olive virgin oil contains a compound called oleocanthal. Oleocanthal acts in a very similar way to ibuprofen, a common pain and inflammation medicine. Studies shows it can help reduce inflammation in the body, support joint health over time. It also contains healthy fats and antioxidants that help protect your cell. Use 100% extra virgin olive oil, cold press, if possible. Air for about 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. Drizzle 1 tablespoon over salad or cooked vegetables. Try using olive oil instead of butter or other unhealthy fats every day. The second superfood is turmeric. Turmeric is the bright yellow spice used in curries. Its active ingredient is curcumin, a powerful natural anti-inflammatory. Turmeric reduces joint pain and swelling, improves stiffness, support long-term joint health. Curcumin is not absorbed well by the body on its own. It works very well when combined with black pepper, which contains pepperine, healthy fats like olive oil or coconut oil. Here is how to consume turmeric. Get 1.5 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper. Add 1.5 teaspoon of ginger, a little honey if you like. You can also add 1.5 teaspoon of turmeric powder to soup, stew, rice, or stir fries. You can also look for a curcumin supplement with black pepper extract and follow the dose on the label. But check with your doctor before taking high dose of turmeric or supplement, especially if you take blood thinners, have gallbladder problems, or pregnant. The third one is ginger. Ginger contains natural compounds called gingerone and shungite that reduce inflammation and pain. This is how to consume ginger. Slice a small pieces of fresh ginger. Boil for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and drink one. You can add lemon or honey. Talk to your doctor if you are on blood thinners, have bleeding issues, or pregnant before taking large amounts. This won't cure arthritis in one night, but they can help you feel better very quickly and support long-term healing. Try 5 to 10 minutes of gentle stretching or walking. Move gently. Keep joints moving to reduce stiffness. Reduce sugary drink, sweet, white bread, fried food, processed meat. This can increase inflammation and pain. Drink enough water. Joints need fluid to move smoothly. Aim for small sip throughout the day. Try to get 7 to 9 hours of good sleep. Your body repairs itself while you sleep. Always remember, these tips support your body. They don't replace medical treatment. Always work with your doctor, especially if you have severe arthritis or take medications. So, can we truly reverse arthritis overnight? Yes, but you can start changing your pain and inflammation starting from today. By combining these three foods, extra virgin olive oil, turmeric with black pepper, and ginger, and combining these simple habits, you give your joint a real time to heal and feel better over time. I also did a video on the real causes of neck and shoulder pain. I will link it up here and in the description below. Do well to click on it and subscribe for more health benefits. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.